everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Jelly Passion Realistic Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Jelly Passion Realistic Vibrator itself. Now this is shown here in the colour nude, but it's also available in the colour pink as well. You can enjoy constant vibration and wonderfully soft and flexible material with this Jelly Passion. The vane shaft and glans provide a lifelike look and extra sensation when you insert the vibrator. The insertion depth is 19 cm and has a maximum diameter of 4.8 cm, so you can use it in combination with your favourite lubricant and enjoy a fine solo adventure or indulge your partner too. The vibrator runs on two AA batteries. Simply pop the batteries in, turn the cap on, and then you can use the multi-speed dial below from low to high. Simply twist to the right and the vibrations begin softly. For more intense vibrations, continue twisting to the right. Turn off, twist all the way back to the left, and it's now off. When using this Jelly Passion vibrator, we would recommend to use either a water-based lubricant, or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Make sure to clean the vibrator after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use either toy cleaner and lukewarm water, or alternatively you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water too. And that is the Jelly Passion Realistic Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.